like usunrise yena thola ukuthi eksethola ukuthi umuntu masika ukuncokola naye thola ukuthi eksenawo la bethola ukuthi yeah ubana ivasa lokufika kuse u10 u-free like iphambi kwakhe who can fear pa bo kukho Daluza the man Nancy kodwa Dispa yabo Mankatheni yabo Nikizi ngqondo kusiyabona ngigcela bamamele TV so uthi abantu rekhathi bese apha kusistudio yabo hey la uthi le ngiqambulisana nayo bra andiyibo phela saqambulisana futhi lapha kule ndlu yabo hey kangenelela la out ebikhupha igoni ibetha kula out yabo ambetha apha kule black hayi ngoqhusa endlini sekuvuka namanye ama out ngoku bese ihamba nawo Jane usalele still akava kwa next damvusa namncane umjida ukuthi I got my own fans yayifila shapa si une fans zakhe emikene fans zakhe sonke sine fans zethu yayifila la way then kubekho if fans that are like as strict in like in a way that thola ukuthi I will never listen like lamazita xa solo so ndothanda like xa la combo yayifila yeah.
Coffee the king, I'm gonna put you back in the coffin again. You think you coughing again, nigga? You coughing again?
For real? What? We
damn.
Potwa.
Udila njani ne ndake ndayibuza le MK. Udila njani ne fake account esingaka ekhaya. Brian. I-fake account esingaka tawenza njani like ukuze stand out bayazi abantu banguwe.
Khona ndala yabona xa sithetha ngento ezidibane like ine fake accounts bra ingxaki bra ngifuna uqoka. And ingxaki nje bra like iyasifaka ezintweni iyasixoxisa kwezinye way yabo la way so into yami nothi mhlawumbe like esinonziwe ba like siphume kulonto le ba ivele kuse ube verified qha the account yakho I feel because isixoxisa in terms of like when I am like let's say like not wonke umuntu most time la bayibona mos okay ngitamachili lo yakholeza am text mhlambe kuse bra man dishaya ngefeature and other stuff yabona we a charge price ingoma ingapopi I feel piti yakuse down the line chayisana nami yabo umjita ndibhozomela ngeway yakuse eningayazi yabo so like noba ngubani owenza lo way like it's not cool it's not ayoba I feel because ke like egqibeleni bra like both ndo thetha ngami yabo like there are some things the brand ngaso like this post on kwi social media I feel like so ezinye izinto like ezino yehlisa reputation yami I feel like futhi izilami lo ayikhathalelanga no post endoni wara mhlambi ekse ancomele lo chira mhlambi in a bad way yabo bengathi ekse hayi chila say pervert I feel like so like the challenges price ezidibane nazo le yezo yabo
tough time ngoba ngeke icingeza we nothunyeleli airtime we yabo
I feel bra yabo like naye umuntu bra like abafuna features hayibo ikhona feature nothenga nge-airtime bra bra like ezinye nje esidinga nje common sense but ke ziyenzeka sizothi
and ubone ezinye profile even the pictures as postwa they're not quality pictures yabonakala bazithathe
somewhere yabo
and then zapostwa
yabo la wena injalo wena bhuda yami
hayi inzima otherwise it's your boy Coffee Man I'm out in Cape Town ukulethe Barcelona matshetshe man Cloud in the pole South Africa man it's yet another episode of the Black Couch podcast. Quickly I have to update umbane udewa right. I know a lot of people have been stressing content is out iphume yabantu ebambekileyo umbane ulungisiwe and I'm safe especially to my patriots from all over the world. I know guys from the US have been contacting me and guys from Germany to check out if I'm safe and okay. I'm okay. I'm safe. It was not a huge explosion. And also shout out to Ikeja, man. Shout out to Ikeja. I like Ikeja for the fact that umbane wami becimile but I could access a Wi-Fi kwezinye poles with the same prime. So if you happen to have Ikeja wako, you can also put it on your phone under wireless on the wireless portal so that whenever udibana nepali ka Ikeja you can just log in on the same isebenzisa la la premium yakho ubuyibhatele, so you don't have to pay anything again. So incede kakhulu in the last few days. Otherwise namhlanje we have a very special guest. And ufunwe nini guys, ufunwe nini kakhulu. He goes by the name of Utamachili of Chilas. Leli bolthandayo bhuti kanye into eyi1 yonke leyo.
Eish, yabona ta. Lamagama bra like into wasebenzisa uma2 yabo. There are certain songs ngoba okay yabona. Like certain genre yabo.
Okay.
Like enkonto okay yabo okay ya. Kule number like into ngoChilas kule into Utamachili.
Yeah.
I feel like when it comes like ways like ezinje mhlawumbe nge-dance yabo like ne trap like I go by the name Utamachili I feel. So you way like esifana neNansika like ne conscious rap I feel like I go by the name of Chilas yabo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I think it's the same thing that I can relate to Londo because dingo coffee but khona usindile which is electron and
Exactly.
so that abantu bangabikho confused, they understand. I think they get but Tayam I wanna understand wona Tayam phuma phi kanye ngowase Mora qondile and qale pha ukwenziwe izakho as Utamachili okanye uChilas. Also the fact that uThekumali libuze lokwenza ayibuze la lonto uba kwakutheli kuthiwa uTamachilas kanje uChilas uTamachili la uthena uthanda uChichilisa kanye uGrotman Polileyo Chilas.
That's a good question bro. Okay, like real name yami like mina like ndinguMihlale bra I feel. Yeah, ifane ndingoDalasile all the way from eNgcobo kulale kuthoka Booklane. Ngokuhlala ndilapha eSamora. Yeah, into yomculo like ndiqale ngose ndilapha eCape Town. I feel. Of which is like into like bendikhula ndiyithanda bra into yomculo thola ukuthi ekuse sengimayangana ndiphako 11 12 I feel and has attended shows thola ukuthi noma ndidlala le disc epha ngqondo yami ndomamela lapha yo haza rappers wara I feel. So yeah Tayam like ngokuhlala lapha eSamora yabo. Yeah, Kosovo Kopi. Yeah.
So Utamachili or Chilas umfumene phi yena?
Qala kama umculo Tayam like 2014 yabo like ndandingumizwa but I never like ndi recording ngoma like ndingumizwa I feel. So ndathi like xa ndifumana studio thola ukuthi yathenya out no man there is umizwa like from Too Fresh Gang. Yeah, I feel la way. So like this name bra like I was given by umjite kuthiwa nguSunrise yabo what man
Sunrise.
So yona out here ndipha elogama bra yabo ba extend ngoChilas yabo futhi izingo the rest ndazenzela ngokwami dalimele igama lami I feel wena Grotman.
Yamkhumbulo Sunrise.
Yeah,
plug
I'm Raizana. Ingwenya leya.
OG. So sistude sijani sifikela kuso ta cause xa uzothi kuSunrise and then I believe mhlambi kwabonyaka noba uSunrise
14 15 yeah.
Oyiku prime yabo like for sure ke ngoku nabanye abantu abakhoyo e-studio cause i-studio zakudala yayilola hlobo awungenokwazi ufika inguwe ne-producer qha yabo soloko kukhona abanye abantu and ke iverse yakho ufuneka uyibethe kukho abantu ayisi-studio esijani wena ta
like bra like MJ Records sure no be ayazi koStina Kylie Chako why yeah Grotman endala yabo. So thola ukuthi ekuse umjidana man extend like ringa naye phone bekuse amantama ekuse ndingumuntu kanje man kanje nakanje ekuse ringa noSunrise yabo ba ekuse no mantama ndishaya ekuse like ngongena egaming and other stuff I feel la way. Yeah, like sesehleli ndise gaming time qathola ukuthi ekuse was not popular at that time. I feel so like sorry time like ngibuye nje uback kancane yabo esona studio like engiqale nda recorda kuso before ndo record the MJ record like it was a prison entertainment like I ownishwa nguRotman ekuthiwa nguManto. Yabo kwapha eKasi. I feel la way. So enqonde man like xa nokwenza feature man na layout uSunrise futhi zekusendinga air yabo la way yakhe kuse like ndifumane by recognition like phana kwamanye amakasi yabo ndingaziwa nje like the surroundings zamba like say ya rapper leya I feel la way. So sabeka isikhathi ne date wakhe sama ngixesha elithile masihambe seculture I feel la way. Ya sifike culture siwe bhake ngoExcel igama like lavela khona umjita no man awunokwazi ba ube ngumizo man I feel la way. So ekuse like you have to ba ube nguChilas I feel ufana luvanjani ligama yabona kuse nami kuse like ngumntu okhulu manje igama linganisuta wena tayami so kuse kanjalo tayami yabo so like urecorder wena tayami laxa ndifika pha ndaqonda kuseyabo tayami ngabanye abantu batayami like usunrise yena thola ukuthi kusethola ukuthi umuntu masika ukuncokola nayo thola ukuthi kusawusenawo la bethola ukuthi bana ivasa lokufika kuse utheni free like iphambi kwakhe yafika so ngifika pha kukho Daluza the man Nancy kodwa Dispa yabo Mankatheni yabo Nikizingqondo kusiyabona ngigcela bamamele TV so uthi abantu rekhathi bese apha kusistudio yabona hey yabona kodwa ngongqobazela yo
yangimali
yo ndaqonda ubaye kuse hayi kancane like ekuroma ukuthi ngustinga pha ngqondo seta yami ngqondo hayi ndaqonda kuse afuna ngqondo lasakazela yami bese no recorder after 2 days yabona fika ngishayithiwe sekungqabazela futhi zikuse wephilayo Brian nervousness emntwini yayifila la way it is what it is
so after la 2 days uphinda umani ubuye because hlale samora mos so manje utravelisha
Spanish guide train
okay makes sense
Spanish guide yayifila le manje nibhala ngicima better yongwena ngiqonda hayi le verse nabakuthwani ke ngoba ndi ready afika nabutya zapha i-target track ndafika ndayenza pha mose indimi no Stinga no Sunrise sethi uzobuye unemali yabo futhi iziwe ngoku like lapha ngegama lami thola ukuthi kuse liye lathi the rest was history
but at that time had you have met MEK no Shapa C
that time 2014 like umjita like MEK yabo ndimazela from ezilalini because suka kwilale e1 and sasigela esigele c1 p ezibhido yabo so umjita ndochayisana naye ngoku apha eCape again yayifila nansike ngakuse Philippi station yabo kanti umjita kuse besehlala eFelizer naye sowasuka ezilalini ukwada ukwelside yayifila kanti le out imove la kwa welikasi ndehlala kuyo futhi ze ngoku as well ixesha lehamba umjita nawe uya rap and all that stuff yabo so yona out like endaqala nayo lewe yabo yona out endaqala nayo
and then uShapa C yena nidibana naye njani okanye uMK yena bese imazi
umjita caba eksebe phofu babegela esigele c1 yayifila la and ngoku kwe studio ndithi qaqala urecorda kuso umjita uShapa Khasa wayithanda kuyapha yayifila la way so caba uMK like kade funa umsana nyana umjita yayifila la way qhala menzithi man like still early man phanga 2014 2015 yabo umjita yenza umsane 2016 uShapa Khasa yayifila la way office is like ngela xesha thola ukuthi sasi dothina tayamna like ngesasikhathi yami like so ukuthi si iway yenansika ye group at that time like engekaqeni we yami group no MEK sengenze group at that time yayifila la way so senza ngo group before eligama lesi scheme sabo khasho yayifila la way senze group like asithi ntona sizi Holy Boys yabo no MEK yayifila la way so wathi mjita man how about basemsayini umjita no yabo but ngonde man asikafuna basayine umuntu man yabo sisemgqubeni at that time yayifila la way so ngomjita ndadibana naye through MEK mandibeke kanjalo tayambo uShapa Khasa
and then nizi Holy Boys at that time ye Holy Boys how long was that period and also indone nanseniyenzile ngela xesha before nizotshintsha ke ngoni bese scheme
estam sasirecorda tayam like ezon trekanyana wethu man yabo yabona basa recorda nje but angiqondi ba ngakhona track like no nansika ngoku like it's not hayi esayirecorda ngoku mhlambe sinoyifumana ngoku yafila la way of which is like it was history yabo tayam of which is ngoku like isachinja ngoku two scheme sabo khashu
yayifila la ngompilo nyaka
isikini sabo khashu tayam sisenze 2015 2016 2015-16 ndiyoze njalo sabo khashu
and then xa nisenza niseba yi2 okanye senimedile umjita
siba yi2 tayam yabo siba yi2 uShapa Khasa samsign ngodeck yena yabo because isikini sabo khashu nosisenze pha late 2015 yabo ngezanyanga zokugqibela yayifila la then sign umjita ngo the following year ngo December uShapa Khasa
and then nisaspanela kwesa studio c1 okanye ngoku senifumana nesi
ngoku time sesifumana ke ngotime studio ke ngothola ukuthi kuseyajonga thola ukuthi yabo ngoku yayijonga noko siyavela pha yafika siyavela pha sa recorda kodwa utanceshi yabo iRoman ehlala enansikeni kwa elower yeah ifila la way nako Dustin nako Rio futhi is like thola ukuthi kwayi producer na ivele sibambe kusema majita man kawuzono record e studio sama ora futhi izengoku amakopolo ayathi ne build ayifila la way injalo wena Roman.
Yeah, so at that time cause ninomculo omninzi ta andifuna go through umculo wenu but yeyiphi yona ngoma that you feel like yabo le ajonga yiyo yabonakalisa abantu bakusakhe nanga la machita
yabo time the song like called to Ganja Party bra
okay yeah.
Like here time ndiyazi time beast like yavuka kuthi time the time senza la number yayifila ubuthi izingo time like renula number le yabamhlambe kuse ngathandwa ngolahlobo time yayifila la way so yeyona number time zazikhona ezinye but yona time le yanathola ukuthi engicinga ba like time senza big basazijule jacu
yeah cause nyani ke yay popular that much and how do you feel ke ngoku xa so uyazi ba lo mculo wakho is not only around iPhilippi Samora even eKhayelitsha uyafumaneka nase EC
Tayami yajabulisa lo way tayami like umandi tayami kwaziwa bra like xa usaziwa kumandi tayami like thola ukuthi kumandi tayami thola ukuthi kuse like uba motivated now manqondo baykusehamba thola ukuthi noko extend yazama uphusha kuyaphusheka I feel ispan siyabonakala yafila
abantu babe cause abamazi uchilasa emakhaya yabo at that time uhamba ngalo xa ubuye ngokuyazi uba nguwe kanye ufuna ukuthi uzicacise
ngata yami ndigqabule neproof tayami ndigqabule proof tayami thola ukuthi tayami enye out yada ngochila zona zongiqala ku ngona eksenjani tandi ndizothini nabo yakuse but ke abantu through like thola ukuthi ekuse xesha lihamba usman bona ukuthi ekuse like abantu bayasifollow bona mo kanye ekuse ile out le yayifila la way so futhi izifi face yethi yafundeleka yayifila tayami
but ke ngokulala la esa status sikwenzele ndoni kwindawo ezinje because nje understand uba kwindawo ezinjeyana not uba ngathi sound ngathi nda discriminate but izinto zifika kade yabo and abantu abababoni okokoko hlobo thina soloko sibona umzekelo if ngithatha uMK ngoku ndimsaka uTsolo kuzogcwala ba because abantu abinayo chance yokuthi bendike namthiche yabo lawe once in a lifetime so wena xa uphinda ubuya ngosewusaziwa oba ungitamachile umzekelo like ngoDecember yabo ayikwenzela into londo kanye normal nje kweyakho ilali yabo
like since ngosithola ukuthi kuse like thola ngilumntu mhlawumbe ugoduka once yayifila la so kuse iba khona leyo ukuthi kuse yajonga maron man kuse yagcwala pha kumbe kuse yajonga utamachile ubona utamachile yayifila la wena damn and ke ngoku in some cases damn man funa uqoka bra bona kwaziwa bra ku aire bra kakhulu bra more special for mina time nisebenzele kwinto ezininzi thola ukuthi most like namajita mas anfanfunde ndibiza amagama nje ndiyashaya iziyo yabo ukuthi kuse yawumamela umculo so ukuthi kuse xa ufika kolokasi yakwazi mhlawumbe ube safe utayami yabo for that particular time upha kolokasi ukuthi hakusene ningamtouch man lo bratho ukuthi kuse wara I feel like so incede nakona kwelo hlobo linjalo
definitely I ndiyazi ke leyo from experience yabo because cooks no but it has happened nakwindawo ningazicingelanga yabo I think I've dathanda phinda mabala amando wazi thena ethanda uphinda but I think ndake ndalibalisa eKhayelitsha ndisuka a culture cycles which is ilapha ecango eRands so ngoku ibus stop ilapha ngakule shop ilapha ngaseRands so ufuneke nisuke phana nje ayewalkinde mhlambi yesuka apha ezantsi uzapha kum but ke yazazi izindawo zinjani yabo bandela ok ngoku imfutshane yabo but ndathi xa nifika ngakula bus stop ndava umuntu enikhwaza ngapha kwendlela and andimazi mbi unje yabo ekuse coffee Koma yo lahla ke ngolando ba it's okay ndilinde le bus stop yabo so iyafikelele kwi situation ezinje ikuncede yabo usinde kwinto ezininzi so ndiyakufila wena tayami
accept
so ngoku nisi scheme ngoku ikhona nale track niya performa ni performa phi ngobani ngokabani funa besides producers ngobani ngokabani ifunayo nani qoma hicks endikhule mhlambe Hotmandi mamele iyanifuna ngoke studio
like iways fanele event like thola ukuthi
event studio time zonke zawe
like time ngoku kusesipusha ngothola ukuthi sesiskinza bokhasi sasikwazi ba like thola ukuthi izolani stand and size base senziwana eza shows yayiphila lawe ya sinansi ke sihambe so perform ezolani center late sibuye siyamakasana thola ukuthi mhlambe kwenye weekend mhlambe kuthiwa hayi noku ku show mhlambe endaweni ethile asicela manje se play sihambe so performa yabo so exhibit performa kwindawo ezinjalo like thola ukuthi nakoma Pali France huku yayifila lawe injalo
so lawe for sure as much as I think ammunition yom rapper asuyithini le whether uyajola okanye awujoli but ammunition yom rapper when the girls like into yazi oyenzayo sometimes abanye abantu xa bebhala bayayifaka lawe nasengomeni ba
imamas ekuse
so xa uhamba esiginqi kuye kube njani ke ngoku
dayam yabona ke xa uthetha ngenanas yo dayam uthetha ngayo ngenxa ngendizincanyanyana
kaloku ngicaka alifuna question vele ndiyibuze direct kanti ukhona lo mshiyele endlini axabale kodwa siyancokola because siyancokola mos ngoku yabo mhlawumbe omnye umuntu ngoku ezinye imamazi zasendlini ke ezisasendlini ziye zikhathazeke ingathi ngoku siyayipromote and siyancokola nje
hayi dayam yo like xa se ubuntu mhlawumbe kulo show mhlawumbe yo bona yo what Yaqonda ba ayisukile ngotha isukile yabo so thola ukuthi ngoku like ibe khona thola ukuthi noma khelo ngomhlanje kwezinyathi sami zakalo ngingithola ukuthi akuperform abona thola ukuthi kuse like thola ukuthi ngenzela mhlawumbe namayelenqe thola ukuthi kuse wara yayifila leyo ike yandehlela I think ngo 2024 yayifila like I was there nansi ke Queenstown ndihamba nenyawo tham perform up yayifila lawe yabo so xa umdaka bhawanga thola ukuthi excel like abantu bamnika ngala attention futhi nami dayam thola mhlawumbe ngonofika mhlawumbe enye out mhlawumbe kuse heavy from Mekas la from kulinye ikasi yayifila lawe perform ku Mekas like I will never like thola ukuthi kuseni lawe thola ukuthi abantu beqhelile pride yayifila lawe ya so antu sibecaba kuse habonzo ufuna ufight na le out da sondele ebantwini uzowubuze kuse amantamu ngenza njani kuze kuse wara konde ibaleke bra ukogqitha lonto ngiyayifila
so waxabana umjida
dayam sasimathini bra ngapha eQueenstown dayam wokhele ke Queenstown bako kuphina apha eQueenstown dayam yayifila
uvana abantu
divane out yami kuthiwa Black Chain
okay labo Black Chain
okay sixabene kule show na le out yabo abana kwami le show out ndingayinaki man yabo ngayinaki yabo qhala qonda man ngona manje kuma phandle bethi amanzi ngoba ndele out lena iyandilandela mana yabo cha okay since most sasine bouncers zethu pa yayifika so ayina chance odala lo line okay gqoja show gqoja ka show fire sokusengiqhusa lo phula iphumula inaka sihamba le ghetto kuseceba solala kuyo no Black Chain yezange kube kudala bra angena lamjida yamba namajida ayi2
yo
yayifila dayamu ayikho la yavakusela mina azinaka ngaleyo kamjida yabo thola ukuthi kuseni la yoqonqa isikhathi besigabene njengoku yamana futhi kusebenzisa sonke wapha thola ukuthi akho we mhlawumbe mjida kuse ay planayo dayamu ariqha mjida kuse ukutheni chillers yabo uphethe ubhaka like so mjida yabo ukutheni chillers yabo ndiqonda yabo kuse kancane yabo xa isithi umjida yabo labhaka like sekubani mphepha labhaka ngixophe esitulweni like so mjida ungena kanje like sinse ngumnyango lo tafile enyana lena the next end hleli lapha esitulweni mjida udala lo wini hayi feel animbona uPedigoni
yo
umngane wami uChain ndigqibele ngcokola naye xa ngisithi ezidlalisile lembayimbayi uzidlalisile usunake yabo yangoqhuza time endlini yabo yangoqhuza endlini likely enough time like khona umjida manje wayesibizile pha like it's a pity that bandilebele nje igama lakhe ngoba labo la bra yandinceda bra cause kuse leyo thile ngonqambulisana nayo bra andiyibona phela saqambulisana futhi lapha kule ndlu yabo hey yangenelela la out ebikhupha igoni ibetha kula out
yo
bambetha apha kule black hayi ngoqhusa endlini sekuvuka namanye ama out ngoku besihamba nawo Chain usalele still akava kwa next damvusa namncane umjida yena bona bakusetayami uzashuba ngifuna ugqoka tayami una tayami kodwa ngani ngibona bazashuba tayami escape tayami na ayinqake bra ngaphumona ngefile uma ngabestiye tayami ngona kuseyakancane bra yabo so tayami like we tayami yama out yo
bazange phela ilungiswa la we
like umjida bra never texted me bra like to ukuthi say after was kiss but ndazixela one thing na like I will never pin and attend a show kulakas yabo because xa ngeko safe tayami ngenye imini mhlambi like andizosinda yayifila la vile
damn man ndiyazibuza ngo like noba kwenzeka ntoni caba like wayibulala cha kuyibulala
kubulala ishow end ngalo time kukho lengane inalengane kona yayo le yafila lo and uchain waba nayo indawo yondinansi yondithengisa lo mntana ndimbona isityle sakhe bayisela mntana lona ubusy man lona lo mntana
yabo bakhona
yo ndimbambe uchain ithe kusehamba man mfethu man next time sasishaya ngalengane yabo okay ngabikho way yabo hey umjida aregqise uchain unxelile uregqise bamba lengane ngani uyisisa kum ndithi chain ithana nemfuno la kayibona mna ke ngoyiface yami yabo ngibona mina iface yami yabo lo mntana lona sokuthi sekufotana nami lo mntana lona hey ndiqonde kuseyani sekukhamba ndayibona mehlumedola layout yabo labe so yaba iwe njalo wena Rodman Ndala yabo but ke umjida lo esibize eshowini lona ethi kusewenda apha egqojwa but zange beyiwe that bad yafila but ke yaba bad kimi yabo because I'm like ndingumntu yami onamasikizi yafila lawe yafila lawe so manje one text mjida that man kusey askissing ngento manje edalekile yami and edaleka pha ngobo 5 must bekuzeni kusatayani konke kusey mna tayami ufuna ufutheka kwangoko tayami ufutheka kwangoko tayami ndingabe kusey ihlala isikhathi esiningi
but nanisuka kwakufutshane ba kanye like nanisuka straight ngapha
sasuka straight ngapha
yo
yabo suka straight ngapha
niyele nje la we
siyele nje la we one day tournament the following day siyavala
siyabuya yo I tough must
buta
cause benza uba like nitse khona kwapha mhlawumbe konyilani yabo yo
tayana konda ba hayi tayam
talking about amankazana wena ta beningafuni uyibuza lewe yabo cha ngoku dinabantu ababukela le show and ngoku bebukela le show bayathanda ukuthi ndimodest tayama ndithanda izidibene noqhushululo
accept
but ke ngoku ndiye ndingafuni ba bahambe babhoreke ndim yabo so ndiyibuza on behalf of follow up for bona
accept
yabo andiyazi ba andisakhumbuli kahle ndizawuparaphrase but there was a time kukho uMiranda apha yabo and then she spoke about abantu that had siswami yayazi siyavana mos noba ithu neyazi sikaxabali siyavana dani noba ithu ndiyanithanda neyalonto cha entertainment business le so wayithetha ngento yoba uNikki Z waye thandana kulasekile yabo and then there was a misunderstanding of her bringing umntu ichomi yakhe to lasekile whereas yangathi la chomi yayifuna weMK and stuff like that yabo but kuyanikhokuleya ndifuna ubuza kanye ngomphi phakathi kwakho no Shapa C kanye who was dating or if it was dating
no but bra ayingendimu tamsizo tethela ayingendimu bra like ayingendimu tam yo ayingendimu tam like intelinyani semsulu for real
cause bengazuyibuza le question the reason why ndibuzile I think I saw i-status ananoma sibese sikabane sa status but kupromotewa ingoma enochain and then uchain uyacula and then I think nguwe omileyo
no Nikki Z no smash yeah like part time dadafika bese studio Nikki Z no smash so like thola ukuthi wabese chain ama sithathe clip le track like engekaphuma la track which is fanatic
yabo
so engekaphuma la track so except qondo okay ama song studio so let's vibe to this verse I feel like so yaba iwe njalo I feel so akhondo enhlanganisa nayo
okay hayi ke nivile ke guy ndibuzile cause alifuna uyirhumba sawuva pha kushapa khasa bayithini into
Usikhethela tamswisi.
Because kaloku ingxaki enye into wena ta andifuna abantu bafike kwi-couch ogqiba baxoke ngabantu.
Yeah.
So sometimes ngase ndiphele ndivelela la way so that omnye umuntu ebecimfana ba cause wayigqibela uyiva pha ayazi ba mhlamba hayi kwakuxokwa. Okanye hayi nguye lo muntu kwakuthethwa ngaye lo. But wena so ukhe waspana mos no
Nabani?
No Nikki. Zange spana naye. Okay. Intoni unobangela zani bena chance yoba
hayi tayam like andiyazi man bra man. Nandiyazi bra. But zange like ndaspana naye like azange yafika lo bangama ke ndispane naye feel. Yeah, but ke if mhlambi like ingakhona lo way singaspana futhi izinaye surely willing nami the willing otherwise sayakho ko beef akho ndoni but zange ndaspana naye.
Ubani umuntu wakho waspana naye waqoma yuatsho.
Umuntu engaspana naye komba
ngambalo MK no Shapakhasa. Ngambali no Sunrise sesitilile ngaye but umuntu oqoma yatsho hayi le feature ayiqinile
yabo time feature la time like feature like I track like endayenza no Lloyd yabo go but time whole time
Lloydness
zange diphume bra but I still have it demo ya futhi umuntu kanemvisa vela athi ba fit why ungayikhuphi lento iqonda kusene ikhupha njani we demo na yayifila la we time so yona feature bra like thola ukuthi ayijonga like how bra like awagadlela bra
yayileliphi ixesha lakhe because ezininzi periods zika Lloyd
la track no besere record ngo 2024 if not 2023
okay
so into ayidala ngakho
okay lela xesha se mostly solo kungekho na ntona maginza yeah okay because uphinde wabuya yathi anduka phila
yo into yakhe le
uphinde wabuya again I think ithini 9-0 freestyle
onibonela we la kunansike but bengazi nika chance
bani nam because they ask ba khona umuntu okuthethwa ngaye pa for sure
yabo 9-0
because bene beef nobani noXarha last time I checked and why clearisha kuXarha ke apha ke wayicacisa ba kwenza kantoni kanye yabo ndithanda londo ke mina xa ifikile umuntu azicacisa izinto zingaphelele emoyeni because xa uziyekele abantu bazazigqibela
bathatha ngehlobo labo
yabo la we ufike ngoku so sometimes then ndicapkele entweni yobala way uye ube introduced to umuntu mhlawumbe close nalamntu and then uvibe grand but xa ufika ngokusekele yakhe kuthiwa wena wawuthe okanye wena sazi uthe
yayifila la
yabo ube ungumuntu ogrand ungenazo ezawe wona bona bazicingayo ngawe yabo so ndincanye umuntu abe nala opportunity yoba azicacise yabo la we so that everywhere hamba khona angabi khonto ezifani
balekile lo way
so nisi scheme wona ta yabo xa nispana nohlulelana njani ispan yabo ni la group yobakhe as long as une verse azidibanisa senza ingoma okanye niyazi ba awubani udila ngehook ubani udila ngento thile okanye idea yaqala iyakwazi ukuthi igqiki ngobani and then nijambe kuyo seyikhona okanye yonke into niqala from scratch nonke exesha eli1
iway bra like siqala kanje yabo itrack yayifila bese ba studio yayifila the record yayifila la way then extension record la way then dihambe mhlambe nehook neverse did say no man say budas man dalele wena thumele lo sharp and thumele lo MK yabo then itrack ngo end up say idaleka kanjalo futhi is like awu wethu ukuthi say mhlambe sa brainstorm bayi if mhlambe senze itrack itype lethi yayifila la way then isixoxelo lo way yayifila lo so umuntu ekuseyazivayela dalele lo way iqonda hamba nekuse mandi bandibethe nama out thumele lama out itrack yenzeke kanjalo finish and clear yabo
so kwabanyaka badlulileyo wena ta because ifans zenu online they were complaining ba ayibo siphi scheme yabo kuye kwenzeka ntoni because yena MK wayicacisa kahle ba kuyakhulwa yabo and then kube kholanda uba umnye aphangela umnye wenza ntoni and then ngabikho isikhathi according to wena uyavunqinelana nalawe kanye unelakhi side wena
hayi like yabona but like inyaniso leyo bra
Yeah.
ukuthi kuse like siyakhula and all that stuff yayifila lawe but ischeme sona sisekhona
Yeah.
yayifila lawe although ke ngothi ukuthi asasa record si group like njengaqala yayifila lawe
yeah.
but ischeme sona asoze siphele sisekhona kanti
Yeah.
yayifila
Yeah.
lawe enjalo
So u Dope Masters cause azandi khandi mamele ta because yo did Dope Masters man u Dubai zandi mamele based on the fact that besendiyekile ukwenza live ze la playlist eMayhem Week 20 yabo.
okay
So normally bendizimamela zonke ezinye track
mm
ebezibapha kula playlist because xa nisenza live nje ndidlale yonke track yabo abantu bamamele nami abakhoyo kulo live ndikuye and then si addressa zonke eza tracks oyi20 bandayeka la way yabo ndizawuphinda ndibuye next year but ndiye ndizibone tracks ezingenayo
okay
yabo ezo Black Chain ezo Fanatic ezo Sharpa C nawo bakhona kwezinye tracks yabo so u Dubai it's a recent track
uDubai was in record 2024 na man 2024
yeah
2024 I think so if I'm not mistaken
yeah ni record endaweni eyi1
record endaweni eyi1 ku Black Chain yeah
okay and then i Dope Masters nayo
i Dope Masters like yeah because ukuthola i Dope Masters bra like iligama le studio phinde ligama le true
okay
yeah I feel yeah
okay
yeah
okay
senge V2V ku
ndiyakhumbula beyicacisa ndiyakhumbula ngoba beyicacisa i Dope Masters ndiyakhumbula okay it makes sense so na recorda la ngoma qha like recently okanye zikhona ezinye ingoma esingazaziyo ezingekaphumi
ikhona track besisanda ukukhupha go I think like last month na before MK drop man MK drop kule nyanga yeah I feel yeah another G part another kind of
okay
I feel so song esikhona phana I feel la way yeah but ngoku like since mose ugajapata ndim nomjita no MK ne so which is ngo samsa edo Sharpa Casa sa edo no Black Chain sa edo no Venom Viper no Courtesy yeah
okay nibaninzi man like that nibaninzi and I like that yabo because it reminds me of the days of the V2V Young Money yabo la Entourage yabo I think also it helps with promoting music because if you promote ngilona like kulula abantu ba umamele because dithende scroll mhlambi bayi6 abantu abaposte lengoma i1 so automatically ingqondo iyixelela ba there's something about lengoma manje ndiyimamela not ndiyibone kayi6 ku timeline yami so la uyinceda njani nina wena tala weyoba nibe i-collective olahlobo
like
as much as nizi solo artists but la community
thola ukuthi yabona bra zokwenzela kuphela nje clear yabo thola ukuthi I got my own fans yayifila Sharpa C une fans zakhe MK une fans zakhe sonke sine fans zethu yayifila la way then kubekho if fans that I am that are like as strict in like in a way that thola ukuthi I will never listen like lamazita xa solo so ndothanda like xa la combo yayifila yayifila so futhi zengotayam lo way leyo thola ukuthi like yes booster ne streams tayam like low way mos man yayifila la way thola ukuthi kuse nawe ugqineza ke fans thola ukuthi kuse mhlambe anasona sidantolo anothi wonke umuntu uyandazi I feel yeah futhi zo wogqineza ke fans ukuthi ha man layout leni yagadlela leni masolo ndithini ndimamela I feel la so futhi zekuse like like unceda mina kuzinceda wena eqhubeni injalo
so what would you say umehluko ubonayo from that time because if you remember I think no Spoiler had spoken about this thing no Black Chain oba at that time kwakho data file host yabo iBluetooth ezawe ndona umehluko ngokwexesha le stream
yabo
da ngoku elaxesha eliyabukhulayiza ngalo likunceda njani ngoku kwexesha le stream
yabona tayam thola ukuthi elaxesha tayam yodayam yavele tayam thola ukuthi mosiqala nobu yayazi like website yakuthiwa ngikasi mp3 yeah I feel yeah futhi saspanisa yena no data file yayifila la way yeah no lephi nezinye man yayifila la way
Dokofala.
no dokofala yayifila la way yo damn like about them like at that time them I was bathola ukuthi kusem mhlambe kuxa uphinde uyijonga inamba yakho kuthiwa iwebsite ihack
yeah
yayifila la way futhi izingokuthi am like dingathi ba like damn siyasiba advanced yabo like in terms of thola ukuthi yayazi track like it's going to be there till forever yayifila la way because thola ukuthi ufumana all digital platforms yeah so asenawo la fika thola ukuthi yo le track lena man benayo backup USB for the number the number is always be there in the next 10 years yayifila la way
so on a lighter note like hey artists that you engasekhoyo that you felt like you but ngende spanile nalomjita like ngesasikhuphe into wrong
yo bro yabona xa sithetha ngoSarah the Babylon
yeah
I feel like yo damn like and we were about to basenze UA I feel like qha kuyaba ndim like owathina walekishayo thola ukuthi ngokuya phi ema culture
okay
I feel and I was like yo abo ekuse and zange beyiwe man thola ukuthi ekuse mhlambi like ibe ngunyaka wonke kusendilekisha I feel la way yaba yiwe nje 3 months kansithi man kansithi kusembona umntu say posting like say man RIP nakonda oh shit I wish baba and dad and I feel like yeah
ish wena
yabo
the reason why ngibuza le way because I've noticed so many people are hesitant at Cape Town to do izinto up until kufikela xesha yabo la way and then bese ku late ngawusakwazi uzenza into ezithile okanye mhlawumbe umzekelo umuntu abe hesitant to come to the black couch acimfana mhlawumbe noba nizobulala icareer yakhe
except
and then now that akasekho akho archives okanye izinto esizokwazi uqamelela ngazo to understand kanye bekusenzeka ntoni elifeini yale hotman kanye elisister now ngokuzaba kho into ezintsha ezivelayo yabo abanye abantu bazikhemoyeni okanye bayazigqibela kanti kuba kukho evidence ebonakalayo ba ama wakho wazicacisa lo muntu ba ungumuntu onje nakanje at least abantu ba aware abazuyimosha legacy yakho bayifakelela izinto ezingekhoyo kuba sewungekho ungakwazi uziphendulela yabo lawe
except
but yes asinoba sayithini leyo
nendala hey
so wena ta ndiza kubuza le question yalapha yabo imile bubini le question ona ta yabo so yeyiphi wena into oyiva ngawe engenabunyani and then yeyiphi into abantu abangayaziyo ngawo nothando babayazi
yeyiphi into abantu abayithethayo ngami engewenyani like abantu abaninzi bra like bathi ekuse like ndingumuntu bra like thola ukuthi ekuse ona masimba like there like umuntu like say arrogant and other stuff bra I'm a very 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 nice guy bayandazi abantu abahlala nabo abantu endihlala nabo which is bra like is what you put in bra is what you gonna get out njalo tayami report so eqhele I feel like no like anonibamba ngoline like ongubed I feel expect to say man ukuthi kusekhona manje kuseyizonantsika ndiyabona uzangale energy uzangayo I feel like tayami yabo like okay ndize kule sibini tayami ba okay like happy way like abalandeli bami like wena nokuhalela ba bayazi ngami tayami ndinokhale ba like tayami bayazi bra start ba like ndingumuntu bra like oyithandayo bra family yakhe bra I really like my family a lot bra more than everything anything bra like on earth bra umuntu bra like oyithanda family yakhe and ekuse oyixabisela ifamily yakhe nabantu aba around yena I feel like njalo but
ungutata but
no one ngotata but
andiyabuza
laksa yona ronman
yabuza
damn andiko fa damn ndiboyela damn but damn ngake ndikubona manje madoda damn qompi inhloko ngiyafika so anifunda mbande siqoqela manje
zangone scare
like scare ngalo
scare lando yoba like umuntu ucimfana ba
ngifans ba like
upreg kanda
damn like ndidlula kuzo zonke zowethu ndithenge iziyogurt kanti ekuse kanti ndithenge iziyogurt damn uthola ukuthi ekuse lawe manje brush isisi yabo kanti njengazi bitheni inegalmoya kanye galmoya kusayana nicafana ndina kusahamba ndavuthisa ngeRomani hayi hello izinyanga nto man siNoromani hayi 3 months ngiyenza idako lasiso komani singalo la mibuza kusa no wathi hayi uniphatha kabi no endaba nesikhupha ekuseyajiya mana ayikho le hayi phela injalo damn yeah so ziwe hlangana nazo bra like sizingama crotman and I feel
yeah so etayam ndifuna ubuza lewe ba so ngoku in this time yabo kuqhuba uphuma iproject ka MEK kuqhuba uphuma ekaSpola ikhona into esino expecta ko
yeah bra which is like ndisayihlela the sathi ndiyayicinga bra into yo drop EP I feel like yeah like akazophela lo nyaka nakanga ndiyicopy EP which is just only 6 songs
okay
I feel
okay
yeah
so uhlele yonke into kanye
ndisahlela ndisahlela cause yabo tayam like lelinye inyathelo bra lenzobe ndilithabatha bra cause EP akufani noka ukhupha single
yeah
I feel like so lelinye inyathelo yelo bra
yeah
I feel which is I have to ba like ndiqiqe kakuhle tayam before like anosuke lethi gqumpu ta I feel like ndizesengicibele EP nanzi ke album I feel which is it's going to be a start most way EP ndibona ba okay kusayipushe kanjani I feel like njalo so which is like into ndiyiplan out tayam like ba okay like ndiyikhuphe mani EP which is nobody say 6 songs
okay
I feel
okay
yabo
sebekhona abantu abacingayo mhlawumbe ku40 features ba
yo yabo tayam yona out tayam noba kuthiwa tayam go shapa casa brother mnganami uzangabikho
vunelitedibane naye because like and yes I understand the praise Jonathan funa uxoxa nizuthi andi understand but ngase ndim experience ke ngoku yabo la because like the praise like akekho umuntu wakhe wathethi into ebheke ecaleni ngaye yabo la we like nawe ya eda phezukwa leyo ba hayi Jona OG
hayi suka futhi yo suka futhi
uchita wenza njani like uyabhala kanye ugood like khona abantu ba good boma umnike nje imic nje zakubetheliwe
shaba kwasa bra versatile bra versatile nje mona sithi ekusehaya bra nikwazi urap mina but yela out le ngakumetarisha kweverse bra ungabelieve xa irap I feel la be so mjita ipen yakhe bra hayi I dangerous kakhulu I dangerous kakhulu but dangerous kakhulu ngamfaka kwi trap umfaka kwintoni that nigga bra will deliver bra like ube amazed I feel bra
no I have to meet him man I gotta meet him because I think I enjoyed so many songs zakhe bola what I'm gonna do devil call ninzi yabo la we ezakhe yabo besides ischeme yabo but ke ngoku ischeme sona mhlawumbe singadropa mhlawumbe in the near future ikhona like inhlanhla khoyo to say yakho maske sidibane nisong ngosidibanisa impahla ebonakalayo
yabona but bese zama uyishoku oqala ndo le I feel hopefully like phofu ndimozana le idea ema option I feel futhi zamajita kangayikhabe nawo lwethu kusajonga we can drop lo wile I feel la way but uba mhlambe singathi siyenza nini or whozithi I feel and khona shop but yona ingenzeka bra like thola ukuthi xa nothi mhlambe thola ukuthi kusende recorder iwe lithi mhlambe kuseyamani lewelena ndizoyifaka ku album yethu sonke like iziskimi sabokhasha amajita like awabana lamhla now I feel like so sure nje umuntu othi nothatha so step I feel ukuthi ngotime like I like I'm not high funeka start ndime I feel nabo amajita nawo akuseya ngasithatha nemike ngasithatha so step akuseya amajita man wara nansi track yokuqala like ndihlelile ba kusela like ngangena ku album yethu iziskimi sabokhasha I feel like then se proceeding from there I feel
benza kubuza ndona gigs nisazithatha as a scheme
mntantolo ukuthi ngibonga ngoku like thola ukuthi unless ba like thola ukuthi lo out ithi bana okay no man bookisha ischeme I feel like but most of the time thola ukuthi kuse umuntu like bookisha mhlawumbe like eyedwa like as a single artist I feel like I feel
awe cause ndibuza cause nayazi abantu abaninzi that would watch episode yakho ngabantu who would really want to see you guys stage yabo again yabo la we kanye for the first time abanye yabo la we they've never gotten that experience and sometimes umuntu uyanga yazi ba noba like ngokwenkangeleko unjani uMachini up until abone mhlawumbe kulo podcast kanye kulonto ba oh nguye lo
and baninzi time kwesami baninzi bazokuthuka apha ekuse hinga leyo uthi leni voice yayo kanti incane kangaka kanti ekuse wese ngotime bangweni auto tune level like I voice like endenza kwami I feel nginagadlela yila la yeah so like it voice yami different like kanti ringa like thola ukuthi ekuse yeah kanti se mic yila la yeah
awe
yabo
ezakubuza lona can be artists bendathu na that you feel like zakubasela ngoku gaming just benda
kule Xhosa Wave wanye was it
noba kuphi ta but ungayiwelisi mayibekwa lapha
ibe lapha ne yabona bra like khona le auto kuthiwa nguNansika man yabona bra yawuthi nombuzo lona yafila la
awuxabanisi lo mbuzo yabo and ngokanifuni nomuntu ongabizwanga afeel ngathi awulityelwa nje ngokwenhliziyo ekhululekileyo yabo like wena qoma khe on top of your mind ngoba yakhawuleza ufika yabo
hata mabona amajita ayaphusha like khona le auto nda kuthiwa nguCody yabo that nigga yaphusha bra like yaphusha bra I feel like
I'm definitely gonna have an interview no called for sure noba siyenzele Eastern Cape Joburg or Upper Cape Town sizayenza uyayazi naye andithandisi yena
I feel like then kube khona layout kuthiwa nguMabuda bra although mjita like engasadrop kakhulu I feel but yo that nigga iyagadlela
last track endikhumbula yakhe le ebuhlanti
yakhe no MK no out
no laweza no Seita no laweza how
Seita
OG Tyler
yabo then enye out yesithathu bra like man faka umngana man MK
aza kalawa this time
man faka umngana MK yabo ayaphusha la jongana
yaphusha Zakalaw because they are nginelala nawe yapush mac I think also man like natural way yakhe khona abantu bomba lo uyapusha usebenza nzima yabo unguChristiano like funeka ata ayijimele lewe bekho eziqoma ngumisi le noba ingenapi le izawuthathwa yabo I feel like MK ukla era ngoku yabo la gold era yabo ba yajonga anyway umfaka khona uzayimela
story sakhe
yeah mara uqobeleni uhlangana naye
umjita bendihlele naye nina yokunina ngobe kuwe phakwesakhe I think bengo if not Saturday man I'm not sure
no
akudala ngakhulu
recent no at least sesivala khondo mhlambe endilibalayo wena bhuti like uqoma ngaske uyigqithise abantwini bakho
ayikho tayam but ngicabanga ukuthi man ngeke ndibethe nje few lines but ngiyabangathonga tayam yo ngede kakhulu
hayi ingaki lo ngayiqalwayo la we treat kuva mlathi uyi comedian kasenzele ijoke
I feel
ezokuyithala ngumsebenzi lokolinye icala yabo so lokwazi vele uthi igqize unqubulisa ba man ndenza into ethile yabo unless ba ndiye kwi-environment endiyaziyo ba kakade kade yenziwa lento pha umzekelo like kushow ka Speedster
ndamona Speedster
uyayazi ba pha kuya freestyle pause sinikwe beats so xa isithi nansi beat cause uthi nisancokola yabo akatsho ba okay indawo ethile zakudinga uba mawuri uvela nisancokola nisalaga athi okay nansi beat yabo but uyayazi ba si structure se show
The show
yakhe
yeah awukho surprised.
yabo ya mna apha ekhawutshini ndandikade ndiyenza kudala loo nto but andiyazi man ayifiti yabo
Ekse.
mhlawumbi andiyazi mhlawumbi because yabuya ishow yethu i-roasting session so andikho sure ba sizawuba nayo na i-episode because sasinayo i-artist engathi I rapi like ine-melody phakathi uTyler noThando wase-Delft yabo wayibulala mfuthu umjita yabo because xa sesistructureisha la show neteam siye singafuni uba eza artists zi4 zithi qelele bekho o-rapper i-boom bap bekho rapper i-trap bekho cula yabo yabo because siye sinike i-task i-producer ba yenza i-beat eziso kwalo producer phofu asiyixeleli ba yenza i-beat eziso but sesichoose i-producer siyaziyo ba as artists zoyi4 zizawufita ku-beats kabani yabo lawe so asikhoshwa ngoba sawuba nayo na i-category phofu actually sikayenza into yoba sinifake noba i4 xa nisithi noba i4 nina nizawubona uba ngubani owes4 that you feel like aligned like super aligned ne-scheme yabo ibe si-scheme episode
Ba. Ekse.
niyakadlela anivani ba aniso scheme ba niyavana ba niyakadlela noba i4
Hayi cha. We on bro, we on.
ungathiwa ndiyalixabanisa
Hayi we on but you.
Because senze i-episode le idea iphume kwenye i-episode that xa ndayiqaphela seni-edit and futhi la episode because ngosasiyiplana zange ndiyiqaphele ndizoyiqaphela sendi-edit uba hayi man ezi-out zoyi-4 zazi kwi-music video A1 and yayishutwa ndim la music video yabo I was like what if we do it for even ezinye i-groups like especially abantu abangathandiyo uba competitive
Ekse.
like akafuni ufakwa kwi-environment whereby i-cypher like funeke yabo then siyazi uba ukugadlela kwabo ku-friendly
Okay.
so xa uyazi uba amani MK lo lapha ecangwami ushapha singapha asuka mani yabo nza ngamanqina ami nobantu wabulele akuzoleqwa ngegoli
Ekse hayi jonga hayi
so possibly next year singayenza lo episode injalo yabo and I think ingathandwa ngabantu
ingathandwa kakhulu Ronman i-idea lenoba trend leyo and
ingathandwa kakhulu lo episode so ngizawuncokola nani noba i3 wena ta because ndiye ndingathandi uthumela umuntu
yeah
andifuni uthumela wena ngizawuncokola nani noba i3 individual so that ndiyazi uba i-answer kabani nobani izimele geqe before nidibane nonke yabo kungathiwa ngenye imini xa seyiphumile kuthiwa hey idea yakho ke la week le
Ekse
iphume nawe
hayi factory
yabo yeah even kwa indaba kaShapa C I think ngekudala ndam interviewer yabo yabo but then I always want indlela yofikelela emntwini directly ndingacelelwa
yeah but
yabo ndinqokole naye so that naxa sihleli apha naye akhululeke aqome le out le thindo yayo yabo because ngondaziswe ngabantu kulomuntu andimazi mna but andikho sure between wena naye khona umuntu wakho animessage before between wena naye
like message akho fera
kwa WhatsApp
ka WhatsApp
but inamba wayifumana kwa Facebook
andiqondi uba inoba because okona ndisponsor le number so ba yeah nansi ya pick up
so I think it's possibly him okanye uMabuda
ne
yeah I think it's possibly uMabuda yeah nguMabuda I think so but zange de idibane la cause sometimes can't arrange on it when unelakhi ta like I think yakho ikhawuleze
ikhawuleze nyanga ngona ke sithi kusefarazi ngona yo kancane
ikhawulezile sometimes wena ta kuye kubekho izinto ezenzeka in between so xa simane sipostpone ndizama uthandaza uba umuntu angadatyafi ingabe ngathi handi yam bambekisa kanti sometimes kukho izinto umzekelo babe kuthiwa ndisa-recorda olahlobo laqala because qala ndaniconnecta kwi-SoundCloud to computer so that we can get the audio
okay
yabo so babe kuthiwa ndirecorda olahlobo laqala benza kuxelela uba iRhotman nambani sayishuta xa ndinombani whereas andimazi uba uzobuya nini lo mbane yabo and then omnye umntu mhlawumbi kulaa moment angayithathi ngathi hayi yanibambekisa and then atyhafe ke ngoku yabo lawe so kuye kwenzeka into ezinje abaninzi abanye abantu ekufanele uba bazile kwi-couch if ever babukela abanye babo maRhotman ndiyanicela mani kanizicengeni nam ndizawuphendula ngomdla yabo ninibambe yabo and then sikwazi uba sinifikise kubani wena ta yabo ndaqala uyenza ngoku lewe ngawe yabo ndake ndayibona kwenye show yabo but ndiyabawela uyenza ngoku so that izawuqhubekeka and then izawukhulisa neshow kubani wena ta umuntu onobawela umbona ehleli apha kule couch
ndibawela ubona uVenom Viper abe lapha kule ndawo ndichophe ku
okay Venom Viper yeah nivile ke nani guys
bawela ubona uVenom bra
bawela uVenom sizawuzamba sifumana uVenom yeah akonto ufuna uyikhanganya before sivale wena tata
my time uqala mind iReboot
bashushe ezibhiya ngoko ngole hlanu enzukwini so ezibhiya zawude sibeshushu
but hayi masivale
hayi ndiyabulela bhuti man ndiyabulela kakhulu ngofika kwakho I really appreciate it ndibulela nabantu ababukele bade bafikelela kwelinqanaba ungothuki wena muntu oqhele isilungu sami ke ndiyazi uba xa nifumene iguest efana no Tamachili iyafikelela nakwabantu abase Eastern Cape nakwilali na PPP so ngifuna ufika ndivakale nakubo bangathi asimvanga uba uthini ngesisilungu sakhe sesininzi lo bhuti umnyama otherwise senzela uba nabo bazive bemkelekile so ndiyacela ke nani bantu bafikayo ni subscribe ni like ni share so that naxa ifika ngoku uVenom Viper kunye noShapa Sina xa ifika nibe seniyazi ithathe ngonixelela uYouTube ba nanku bani ufikile ngokuhamba obukela xa ulike make sure guys umlike wakho uyachazele uYouTube ba le video iyathandwa and then I spread so that babe baninzi abantu ababukela le episode ibali leRhotman likwazi ba lifikelele nakwabanye abantu abangayibonanga uba seyiphumile le episode so ngalomazwi ndiyabulela kuni nonke ngothando lwenu nayo yonke into eniyenzayo ndibulela naku Ikeja ndibulela naku team yam iyonke ndibulela nakwaba abantu bebe concern ngombane ukhona ngoku ndibulela naku family yamentsha unike into enje bandiyithanda
namhlanje balekile lonto
ndibulela ifamily yam because ayiyanzama noko ndibulela noAlex uyazazi ba wenze ntoni ke nanzobe ndiyikhanganya otherwise your boy Coffee Man amouche in Cape Town ekukulethe Barcelona matyotyomeni klawo kine pole kangitshe yami pole ndiyabulela South Africa